1 ounce gold with platinum plating. Awesome. Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now this is the 9th, that's right, the 9th in the Australia at Night series. Today we are going to check out the Rock Wallaby. Now wallaby is very similar to a kangaroo. I think it's actually part of the kangaroo family with some distinct differences of course, but nonetheless very similar and of course very cute. Now let's take a look at the certificate for the coin today. This is a 1 ounce gold proof coin with platinum plating. Now I wanted to make that clear because some people have got it confused that it is silver plated, but no, it is platinum. And it is of course 99.99% pure gold. And the coin itself, great to look at, fantastic. This Australia at Night series has been so interesting because you've got the two versions in each one of the series. You have the black proof and of course the gold with platinum plating. Really, really striking designs there. We'll just take it out of the capsule, of course, to have a better look. Oh, there's that ring in there to stop the coin from moving around. Just put that to the side and have a nice peek here. Now, of course, you've got a wallaby on here. You've actually got two. Looks like an adult wallaby there with a smaller wallaby on the side. The moon in the background, of course, because we're talking about nighttime. And just the detail is beautiful. Now, this coin is struck for the country of Niue. It's 2024. So, of course, you've got King Charles there. 1 ounce gold is also on the piece itself. Really, really nice. Now we're going to zoom in here. I just want to show you the amount of detail that has gone into this design. Every little hair on these rock wallabies. So nicely done. Really, really well engraved here. And the mintage on this piece is only 150 pieces. Really an attractive coin and of course an attractive mintage to go with it. Just fantastic. And I like how they've made these coins slightly bigger. So it's a little bit thinner, but you still got that full size of a coin. And of course Charles's hair also has quite a lot of detail to it as well. So if you're interested in adding this piece to your collection, if you have been collecting the other Australia at Night coins, you'll definitely want to add this one. But for anyone else that's interested in this coin or anything else that we have here at EMK, hop onto the website, that is www.emk.com.